Innovatus started in August of 2018. It was off of the back of my master's degree in Strathclyde University, where I studied product design engineering. During that period, I utilised an aerospace technology that primarily focused on composites and the manufacture of composite components, complex composite components. And I took that technology and utilised it in a commercial setting for hydrogen storage pressure vessels. What we're looking at from a conceptual basis is taking the standard product, so large, heavy cylindrical tanks, trying to make them as form factor compliant as possible to space envelopes in any customer's products or applications, and to make it as light as possible. So ultimately our USPs with our product is form factor compliance, lightweight. That's the key driver in industry today, and also to store as much hydrogen as possible in that given form factor. Ultimately, we want to manufacture. We want to keep everything here local in Scotland. We want to manufacture the components with locally sourced materials as best as possible, and ultimately bring manufacturing back. Specifically for our design and our process that we use, we try and keep sustainability at the heart of it. I was introduced to SOLIDWORKS in my university days. Through SolidApps, the reseller that we're working with, they were very, very useful in supporting our needs. I remember back in 2019, I had to design, this was just prior to me having any employees in the business, so it was just myself and my laptop, and I was struggling to use the free softwares that were currently on the internet, etc. And I remembered, obviously I used SolidWorks for the majority of my time at uni, so I reached out to see what support we could do. I know I'm a brand new business, not a lot of income. Within a matter of a week, we actually managed to get a package that suited my needs. One of the key things was the access to the highest grade of SolidWorks. I think we were allowed access to SolidWorks Premium for quite a suitable discount that supported my business and the financial state of my business at the very start, which was definitely a very key factor. So having access to the top of the range of SolidWorks as a startup, as a single business individual, that would allow me to progress my product, to progress the simulations, the design, everything that I needed. We found that SolidWorks, the standard premium package that we were using, had some limitations to what we needed to actually use for proper simulation of composite structures under high intense pressure. We worked with SolidWorks and SolidApps very closely to come to a solution that allowed us to progress above what that limitation was currently holding us back on. And Simulea was that product. And Simulea works very well with the Abacus software as it's built off of that, but because it is part of the SolidWorks package as well, the integration between the two is second to none. It is very easy. SolidApps, they are a fantastic company to work with, and there was no end to the support. To this day, Neil, the director of SolidApps, is very supportive of our company. I think he is a keen individual to support SMEs, which is what we need. SMEs are the backbone of this country. Dassault Systems, as well as SolidApps, and the technicians at SolidApps work very closely and work very well together to help solve our issues. It was a joy to potentially work with them, so I would highly recommend that if anyone is starting in a business in advanced technology, in additive manufacturing, in 3D modelling, I would highly recommend that SolidWorks is a key driver to support that workflow.